Imagine minutes from now having your own AI website creation suite that's fully powered by your own cloud hosting account with cPanel access and 99 premium AIs built in, including the very recently released Sora AI. Now, you've probably heard about lifetime hosting before, but trust me when I say it, you've never seen hosting like this one ever before. That's for two reasons. Number one is that we've been hosting websites for over 20,000 customers since 2020, and we're still in business, hosting hundreds of thousands of websites. We're here to stay, and your sites are safe with us. That's right, next generation hosting that's better than anything else on the market right now, but without any of the ridiculous monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. Hosting that takes 60 seconds to set up, protects you against hackers, and keeps you 100% compliant with any legislation, think GDPR or ADA. It would effectively enable you to make your last ever payment for a hosting service today and still get 100% uptime, blazingly fast load times, superior service, and the best possible support for internet marketers. And secondly, is something you've never seen before in the hosting space. Imagine if minutes from now you could have instant access to your own free accounts to 99 premium AIs, including the brand new video maker Sora AI, ChatGPT 4 Omni Plus, Google Gemini Ultra Advanced, DALL-E 3 HD, Whisper AI Text-to-Speech, Midjourney Mega, Leonardo AI Pro Plan, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3.1, all integrated with our hosting. How good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Spark is the next step in cloud hosting, a revolution like no other that enables you to enjoy the following: faster loading websites than ever before, 60-second quick setup using built-in Wizard, 100% uptime with free SSL encryption, built-in unlimited sites, email accounts, and more, built-in ClickFunnels Killer, drag and drop funnel builder, next generation control panel, free one-click WordPress installer, 24/7 support from marketing gurus, DDoS and malware protection, legal compliance, GDPR, ADA, etc. And here's the kicker, you get all of this plus immediate direct access to over 99 premium paid AIs, including the recently released Sora AI. That means you can have these AIs to build entire affiliate websites on Spark Hosting, write unlimited unique content for those websites, code any apps that you can host inside Spark, create and host amazing HD videos with our Spark Video Player, generate graphics and images, turn any text into human-sounding speech, create music that can top the Billboard charts, publish New York Times best-selling books, manage your social media accounts, clone any voice and set up talking avatars, get you #1 rankings via SEO and backlinks, run live chatbots for support and sales, even create entire Hollywood-style movies using Sora AI. Listen, Sora AI Premium alone is $200 a month, and you get it as a bonus on this hosting package. And the best part? It's 100% newbie-friendly and has been designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers. Plus, we're making it better every single day based on user feedback. And if you act fast, you'll get the ClickFunnels Killer drag and drop page and funnel builder free. Get this today and enjoy lifetime hosting for nothing. Yes, that's zero future hosting payments. You're finally able to cancel one of those pesky monthly subscriptions that keep adding up and still get better service than before. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on the page hits 0, so hurry. Plus, we'll never ever read or access your files or sites, and no one else will be able to either. Spark has a rock-solid encryption system that ensures your sites remain yours and are protected against malware or hackers. So you can finally say goodbye to paying ridiculous monthly fees to expensive shared hosting in exchange for subpar services and questionable security and website protection policies. Plus, you'll never again be limited to the number of sites you can host or the bandwidth that you use. The bottom line is this: Spark saves you hundreds of dollars a year in cloud hosting fees while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than any of our competitors. All inside one newbie-friendly interface even an 8-year-old can master. So take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to a next-level software unlike any you've seen before. Welcome to the future of internet marketing and cloud hosting. Welcome to Spark.